One of my favorite things about the knife community is seeing enthusiasts come up with solutions to problems that manufacturers either haven't addressed or they simply didn't think about. Today, we're going to take a look at several accessories from Brian at Kohleebree3D. He's an Etsy maker who designs upgrades for some of the most popular guided sharpening systems on the market. Now, he did send me these items free of charge for review, but as always, receiving something doesn't buy a positive review for me, and he didn't get to dictate anything that I am saying here. My goal, though, is to show you what each accessory does, how it fits into the sharpening experience, and just give you an idea of whether it's worth considering for you. So let's get started, and we're going to start with the Sharpal 202H. Now, this is my most recently reviewed system, and if you watch that review, you know that I'm already a big fan of this system. One limitation, though, is that you were limited to the factory stones for a long time. Now, Sharpal did release their own universal stone holder, but he'd beaten them to the punch and he got this out a few weeks before they did. And for some circumstances and in some ways, this may actually be a better option in my experience, and let's look at why that is. So both of the universal stone holders will allow you to use 4 or 6-inch stones. What that means is if you already have your own stones or if you want a grit that Sharpal doesn't have in their kit, you can do that now. Like I said, both can use 4 or 6-inch stones, and they clamp on the guide rod in the same way by unscrewing that screw. You pull it off. Oh, sometimes they get on there a little bit tight. There we go. And then when you switch it out or you want to put it back on, you just screw that down. Now, they also both include, now his are marked A and B. I think the ones on their stones are marked like 1/2 inch or something, but that's for their measuring system here to show you the angle depending on where the edge of the knife sits. But he did add that, which I think is a really, really cool touch as well. But one of the perks of this one, in my opinion, is you have the flexibility to use stones that may be a little out of spec as far as the 4 to 6-inch size range. So this will go anywhere from 3.75 inches to 6.75 inches, whereas the Sharpal one, it is spring loaded, so you don't have that adjustability, and you can only adjust it between 6 and 4-inch stones. So you do get a little bit more flexibility out of the Kohleebree3D one. And I'll show you how you do that. So this is a 6-inch stone. Get it in there, clamp it down. There you go. And then you can just go to town sharpening. And the other thing that I like about this too is it lets you decide how much tension you have on this, as opposed to you're dependent on the spring for the Sharpal one. Now, one other thing that I do want to point out, and this is something that I didn't notice until I did my Sharpal review, is with the Sharpal stone, or the stone holder, you have this screw here. Oh, it won't come into focus. Anyway, you have this screw here that will stick out, and sometimes if you are dealing with a knife that has a large handle or something, you can knock this off of the handle if you're sharpening this direction. Now, you don't have that same problem with the stone holder from Brian at Kohleebree3D because it just doesn't have that on the side. So depending on the handle of the knife that you're sharpening, that could also be another big perk. So yeah, there are little things about this that I actually prefer over Sharpal's own version. So which one you need is really going to be a decision that's left up to you, but I don't think you can go wrong either way, and I think this is a really, really great design. Next up, we have some accessories that are designed for the Worksharp Precision Adjust. Now, I do want to note these are for the regular or the original Worksharp Precision Adjust. These do not fit the Worksharp Precision Adjust Professional, although he does have some options for that too if you want to check those out. But so first up, we have the Universal Stone Holder, which operates very similar to the one from Sharpal. You screw it out like this, put the stone in here and clamp it down. So it's a very, very similar design. The way that it attaches to the guide rod is obviously a little bit different because your Worksharp is a little bit different design than the Sharpal, but similar idea. Now, the other thing that I thought was kind of ingenious is the phone tray here. So what this is for, you pop it on here, and You can put your phone on here, and if you have a modern smartphone, you can download level apps or inclinometer apps. Now, they're probably not going to be as accurate as a dedicated inclinometer, but you can get a rough idea and get yourself a lot closer than the angles on the system here. And you can also use this to set your inclinometer on just to make it a little bit more stable platform. So I thought that was kind of an ingenious little addition there. And then you also have the platform and the supports here. So there's a couple things that I think are real wins with this. So first of all, you have these supports that you can screw up. So when you have a knife mounted in here, because one of the concerns with the Worksharp Precision Adjust is some of the flex that's in the system, specifically the clamp. So you can screw these up, put them on the bottom of the blade so they're pressing up against the bottom of the blade, and that way the blade will not flex on you when you're sharpening. And you can adjust these. These are a square shape, and they just kind of fall into these slots. You can adjust them wherever you need to. You can see you can move them a good distance in and out into different spots. Really, really well thought out there. And the other thing that I really like is that he has spots for screws here. So if you want to attach this to the bench and get a really, really stable platform so you know that this is not going to move, that is a great, great option. And like I had to pop this down in here, so it's going to stay in here pretty well. But yeah, I thought that this was a great idea. And you don't even have to use all of these at once. You can just lay one of them down and just use two of them. There's just so much creativity that you can do with this. And it really helps make the Worksharp Precision Adjust a better system. And last but not least, we have the Xarilk Gen 3. And you may not even recognize this because of the amount that he put into this. This is really more of a complete workstation than it is just an accessory. And I saved it for last because I think it's probably my favorite. And in addition to all the parts of the organizer, he also included a guide rod holder here, which I'll show you here in a little bit, a phone tray for this one as well, which operates the same way that the one for the Worksharp Precision Adjust did. And also you get a 1 ounce bottle of mineral oil and a marker. So he included like those little extras with this, which he didn't have to. He could have just sent this as a set, but those are included as part of your purchase with this, which I think is just absolutely awesome. Now, as you can see, it has spots for the oil and the marker. And one of the things I love, because this guide rod is so huge, you can disassemble it and pop it in there. And then when you want to sharpen, you just feed it through here. Get her all set up, and you're ready to sharpen. Now, I talked about the guide rod rest here, and that's one of the things that I was not a huge fan of with this system, is I never knew where to put the guide rod. There was never a good spot to put it. Well, you can swing this around, rest it in there, and get it out of the way when you're swapping stones or doing anything like that. Like, this alone is a massive, massive upgrade, and I can't believe that Xarilk didn't think of it themselves, but he took care of it and he did that. And as you can see, you have a spot for your stones down here. You can actually store 10 stones down here, and you can get this either for the original Xarilk stones or the standard 6-inch stones like this. Now, one thing I do want to point out, if you buy the Sharpal 6-inch stones, those are just a little bit shorter, so they do not fit in this. So that's just something to be aware of. But for my half zone stones and my TS Prof stones, they all fit in here. The Sharpal ones are just a little bit smaller, which is something I kind of knew beforehand, which is why I knew to test them. But yeah, you can fit a bunch of like 10 stones here, which I don't think most people are going to be using 10 stones, but you have room for that here. So none of this is obviously essential for the Gen 3 to work, but I really think that this changes the Gen 3 from a really good system to just a complete workstation. And I absolutely love it. So overall, I really enjoyed checking these out. None of these accessories completely change how your sharpening system works, but they improve the ownership experience by solving those small inconveniences that many of us just kind of choose to accept over time. So whether it's expanding the Sharpal stone compatibility, keeping your Worksharp accessories organized, or turning your sharpening bench into a more efficient, complete workstation with the Xarilk Gen 3, these are all thoughtful upgrades that add genuine value without requiring major modifications to the systems. And I'd like to thank Brian at Kohleebree3D for sending these over for review. And if you want to check any of these accessories out for yourself, I'll have links to everything down in the description. And I'll have links to both his Etsy store, which is where I, found him, and I will also link to his own website because he does have a separate website as well. And I'd also love to hear from you. Which of these accessories would you add to your sharpening setup? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next knife, gear, or sharpener review. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.